Hi there, I'm Shahy and welcome to Shahy's Easy English. Today is going to be a fabulous pronunciation tutorial. Today I'm going to help you with the F words. Are you disgusted? I don't mean the swearing F words. I mean the pronunciation of the F words. Sometimes it can be frustrating if we are not able to pronounce a sound in the language that we're learning. Okay, so you guessed it. Today's sound that we're looking at is the F sound. Some people can't say it properly because it's not in their mother tongue. It's not in the language that they grew up with or they were brought up with. Okay, that they spoke since they were little. So last time we did the V sound, okay? And the V sound comes from the vibration from the neck, and we use the teeth. V sound. So you can watch that video. Okay. So are you ready to do the exercise with me? Because I'm ready. The first step is to breathe in, and when you breathe out, I want you to make your mouth into a O shape. Let's start again. Breathe in. And this time, when you breathe out, I want you to put your teeth on your lips on. Okay, so let's do it again together. Breathe in. And, okay, place your teeth on your lips. Okay. The first sound. Okay, this is the first sound. I'm going to do it on the side so you can see. So your lip will turn inside a little bit like this. Okay. And then your teeth will come on top. And then you can breathe out. Breathe in. Put your lips on your teeth. Breathe out. So when you are practicing, you can just go like this. Fa, fa, fa. Right? But when you're doing it gently, you can just go fa, fa, fa. Now you do it. The second way to do it is to pretend you are a rabbit. Okay? Or you can be a rabbit. Okay, so pretend you are a rabbit. Fa, fa, fa. There you go. When you breathe out, okay, pretending you're a rabbit. When you breathe out, fa, fa. You can do this. I think you got it. Okay, so the word favorite and the word fabulous and the word fantastic. You can say them. So we've come to the end of the tutorial, and let me know how it goes for you pronouncing the F sound. I think you can do it, and maybe you can tell me your favorite word that starts with F in English. And meanwhile, okay, take care of yourself. Remember to give it a big thumbs up, like, share with somebody who has a problem with this F sound. And if you didn't already subscribe, please do. Take care. See you soon, and bye for now.